Hello everyone, welcome to Masterclass. Today we are going to learn about Adobe Pagemaker tool palette, shortcut keys, and its uses. Pointer or selection tool. F9 key. Use the pointer tool to select, move and resize text objects and graphics. Rotation tool. Shift plus F2. Use the rotating tool to select and rotate objects. Line tool. Shift plus F3. Line tool is used to draw slanting lines. To draw a line, click the line tool, click and drag to draw a line in any direction. Rectangle tool. Shift plus F4. Rectangle tool is used to draw rectangle shapes. Hold down Shift key to maintain proportion. Ellipse tool. Shift plus F5. Ellipse tool is used to draw a circle or elliptical graphic. To draw a circle or an ellipse, select the tool, click and drag to draw a circle on the document. Polygon tool. Shift plus F6. Polygon tool is used to draw a shape with more than 4 sides. You can modify the polygon by selecting element and selecting polygon settings. Hand tool. Shift plus F7. Hand tool is used to move the screen. This tool is very useful when you are working with large documents. It helps you to easily navigate in a large page. Text tool. Shift plus Alt plus F1. Text tool is used to edit and select text and insert text frames. Click the text tool and click anywhere in the document and start entering text. The text tool creating a free-flowing text box. Crop tool. Shift plus Alt plus F2. The crop tool is used to crop imported graphic images to the required size. Click on the tool and drag the image handles to crop the image. Constrained line tool. Shift plus Alt plus F3. Constrained line tool will draw lines at 45-degree intervals, that is, horizontally, vertically or diagonally. Rectangle frame tool. Shift plus Alt plus F4. Use the rectangle frame tool to create placeholder rectangle and square shape. Ellipse frame tool. Shift plus Alt plus F5. Use the ellipse frame tool to create placeholder ellipse and circle shape. polygon frame tool, Shift plus Alt plus F6. Use the polygon frame tool to create placeholder polygon shape. And finally Zoom tool, Shift plus Alt plus F7. Zoom tool allows you to zoom in and out of the document view. By default the Zoom tool will be in the zoom in mode. To zoom out to the page, select the Zoom tool and press Ctrl and click in the document. Thanks for watching our video. For more videos, like and subscribe our channel.